Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today is Tuesday 6th of December and we are here to look at what do we expect from market. The ranges are set, we'll come back to this message in a very quick duration, but let us start from the charts. Now Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, we are talking about both these indices. Yesterday's day was in a way euphoric day. Started off with the sell-off. It settled quickly in first 15 minutes candle, like first 2-3 15 minutes candle, and eventually we could identify a trade in between these candle itself. I'll just quickly take you on a WhatsApp to go through this. This was my yesterday's message. Intraday bounces are opportunities to short. I was trading HCL Tech bear call spread. Now there is no rush or urgency to trade because the strangle is doing very well. The strangle that we are trading, the month end strangles that we are trading, they are doing really well. And immediately after the market opened, I just went on to this particular chart. I'll just quickly share this with you. What I did was on a 3-minute chart, we draw a high and low for the first 3-minute candle, and eventually when this get broken, you can initiate a trade with the low of this candle as a stop loss. So this kind of a trade we got in both the indices, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and that is a very simple way by which you can identify. This was the follow-up picture image. This is where we got the trade, and this trade was covered around 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. we covered this trade. So I had shorted 18,700 call option for 8 December expiry for 94.4, and I hedged that with 19,200 call options, and also I had this 43,000 put option. Even though this put never delivered good profit or good returns, it was a trade, it was still an ongoing trade. Okay, now this is where I had put a TSL for the trade, and eventually the TSL was hit somewhere around 70. I think I booked that position. Now see Nifty, we are talking about Nifty, and we had already spoken about Monday onwards we'll get this target 18,583. It's likely that we'll open today somewhere around this level, or maybe during the day today or tomorrow we'll breach this target, and eventually we'll be headed towards the next target, probably 18,500 odd level. But this current market action is not a very aggressive kind of action. It is not a directional thing that is happening. Even though the market is into a profit booking phase, it is a slow moving profit booking phase. So you have to understand, when you are trading in options, you have to be agile. The reason I shared with you a 3-minute time frame is because you need to be really agile. So in 15-20 minutes, while the momentum still lasts, you should cover your positions, if you are, especially if you are in an option buying trade. And even for option selling, I feel that this is a market where you should very quick, agile to book your profits and move out of the trade very quickly. As far as possible, try to avoid buying options. This is not the phase where you should be trading, because see, yesterday there was a gap up opening and immediately the gap got filled. Today we are expecting a gap down opening. So it may so happen that we'll open somewhere here, some 50-60 points gap down will experience, we'll see. And what happens after that during the day is something that's going to define. So this phase, this entire week or maybe next fortnight is going to be in a similar manner. It will just keep on consolidating, maybe rising a little and falling a little, and this kind of action will keep on happening. I feel that this level of 18,850 will not be breached in next 15-20 days. And similarly, the lower level that is far away, 18,200 or 18,150. So these levels should be protected, and as long as these levels are protected, our strangle will keep on doing good. So the strangle that I'm trading right now, so re-entered strangle is here. So this is the strangle that I'm trading. Why I'm emphasizing on strangle so much is because this is a neutral strategy. Wherever the market goes, we are still going to make money as long as the market is between 17,200 and 19,540. We are going to make the entire premium. Okay, that is about 14% returns on your investment. I'll be glad, I'll be happy with anything in excess of 7%, because see guys, who gives you 7% in a month? This is what the aspect here. Even though the contracts are for the month of January, will be squaring of this position somewhere around end of the month. I've just kept a cushion of the next month expiry, because even if I feel like holding on to this particular trade in the first fortnight of January, that is still going to serve my purpose. I don't have to square off this trade immediately and look for a better entries. Now I have got a better entry, so I want to hang on to this trade. So this is how the trade is going, and the best sign about any trade going in a right direction is both the legs, call and put, both the legs are in profit. This is a very simple sign that the trade is going well in your favor. And when a strangle generally goes in profit, there is a very remote possibility that it might go into loss. Any euphoric movement, that is like you have to accept it and then accept your stop loss and move out. A similar trade is here. The same trade, same legs which I have entered here in the Opstra. The same legs are here. I have just hedged them, taken a benefit of margin so that I can trade intraday with some option selling, and that actually cushions me to make some intraday returns on my investment. This is how I'm trading currently. Now coming to Bank Nifty quickly. See guys, Bank Nifty is comparatively outperformer, so it is showing a very strong nature in this scenario. Now I'm expecting Bank Nifty to open somewhere below this, and we should get this target, bearish target. The first target will be 42,780. This will be the target. If I can clone this, yeah. So this is going to be my first target for Bank Nifty. Yep, 42,780. 780. Okay, so this is going to be my first target, and once this target gets completed, then I will look for 42,500, another target. Because see, I was expecting that this will be a cakewalk, this 42,500 will be a cakewalk, but then it is taking such a long time. Bank Nifty is considering at a higher level. It is showing a great sign of strength, but you know, ICICI Bank seems short to me, so as a result it will keep on falling. So what is the view of the day? The view of the day is very simple. The ranges are standard. New long positions for Nifty only above 18,840, and for Bank Nifty new long positions only above 43,360. Mark these levels on your chart. Strangle I have explained in Market Kya Lagta Hai weekly episode of 120 episode, last week's episode. So do watch that video if you have not seen so far. Directional trades are limited to intraday only, and I'm bullish on Bajaj Finance, Divi's Laboratory and Tata Motors, and bearish trades possible in ICICI Bank, Infosys, TCS and HCL Tech. That's it from me for the day. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a nice day. I'm signing off. Bye bye.